everyone. Hope you are all doing well. My name is Alex and I am 12 years old. I would like to welcome you all to my channel. Our history and more. Doors are like the magical gates that let us into amazing places and keep us safe at home. But have you ever wondered where they come from? Let's take a trip back in time and discover the fascinating history of doors. Door is spelled with the letters D-O-O-R. The word door comes from an old word, door, which means gate in some ancient languages. Isn't that neat? It tells us that doors have been around for a super long time. Imagine a time when people lived in caves. They didn't have doors like we do now. Instead, they used big rocks or logs to block the openings. But then, someone smart came along and thought, why not make something to cover this hole? And that's how doors were born. The very first doors were made of wood. Picture chopping down a tree and turning it into a door. These wooden doors helped keep homes cozy and safe. But there were no fancy locks or handles back then. As time went on, people got smarter and made doors even better. They added locks to keep out bad guys and handles to make opening doors easier. Doors started to become fancier and fancier. In ancient times, different cultures had their own unique doors. In Egypt, they had secret doors with hidden chambers inside. In Rome, they had heavy metal doors that guarded important buildings. During the Middle Ages, doors got even fancier. Castles had huge doors made of wood and iron. They were so heavy that it took many people to open them. But they kept the knights and kings safe inside their mighty fortresses. Today, doors are super cool and high-tech. Some doors can open with special codes or even by recognizing your fingerprints. Isn't that amazing? Doors are everywhere in our lives. They let us into school, our friend's house, or the grocery store. They keep us safe at night and cozy when it's cold outside. Can you imagine a world without doors? It would be strange, wouldn't it? In conclusion, doors have been on an incredible journey throughout history. They've evolved from simple wooden barriers to high-tech wonders. So next time you walk through a door, remember its amazing story. And hey, if you want to learn even more about doors, check out my other video about doorknobs. And that's the end of this video. Goodbye for now. If you like this video, please do not forget to like, subscribe, click the notification button and share. If you want to know the history of everyday item, please comment down below and I'll be happy to do a video for you. Thank you for watching and may you have a historical day.